A bathroom without windows can quickly turn into a dark, damp mold factory. Without natural sunlight and a cross breeze, trapped steam is a recipe for disaster. But don't worry, you can easily keep it fresh and clean. Your exhaust fan is your absolute best friend. Make sure it is properly sized for your bathroom's square footage. If it sounds like a jet engine but doesn't actually pull steam out of the air, it is time for a powerful upgrade. Turning the fan off the second you step out of the shower is a massive mistake. You need to leave that fan running for at least 30 minutes after you finish bathing to pull all the lingering humidity out of the room completely. Don't lock the moisture inside. When you are done getting ready, leave the bathroom door open. This simple habit allows dry air from the rest of your home to circulate in and push the heavy, damp air out into the hallway. Water left clinging to your tile and glass is exactly what mold spores are looking for to survive. Keep a small squeegee in the shower and take 10 seconds to wipe down the walls after every single use. It is a total game changer. Never leave damp towels bunched up on the floor or layered over a single hook. Hang them flat so they can dry out completely. Or better yet, take them out of the bathroom entirely to dry in a well-ventilated space. That fluffy bath mat is soaking up water every single day. If it never fully dries, mold will start growing underneath it, right on your floor. Toss your bathroom rugs in the wash and dry them thoroughly at least once a week. If your exhaust fan just isn't cutting it, bring in some backup. A small portable bathroom dehumidifier works wonders. It physically pulls the excess moisture right out of the air, keeping the environment perfectly dry and safe. Mold loves a constant water supply. Even a tiny, slow drip from your shower head or bathroom sink creates a permanently damp environment. Fix those annoying little plumbing leaks immediately to starve the mold of water. Skip the harsh bleach. Keep a spray bottle of white vinegar handy instead. Lightly misting your shower walls a few times a week naturally alters the pH level of the surface, making it practically impossible for mold to ever grow. Don't let a windowless bathroom become a moldy nightmare. For professional mold remediation and expert water damage restoration, call the pros today at 619-449-9611 or visit at goldcoastflood.com.